Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this USB digital microscope from Bresser with 5 times to 1000 times magnification, software included to download. You can take a picture or video with a 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Included we have the stand, adjustable with a locking screw, and you can install that here. It locks and then you can adjust. You can do final adjustments to have the perfect position. The USB cable with a length 1.5 meters to power on this microscope. Microscope micrometer calibration ruler from 0.03 millimeter to 0.2 millimeter. At the front we have the protection cap, the objective, LED ring lighting, 8 adjustable LEDs, the zoom wheel, from 50 to 1000 times magnification. And here we have the button for the LED light, dimmer button and the record button. It is small, portable, definitely it can fit anywhere. So let's connect it to my PC or laptop and see how it works. Down below in the description I have the link for the software. You can use it for Windows and Mac, and there it is. Press the button, turn on the light. And what do we have here? Second, third and 4. The brightness level and off. First, second. And with the wheel you can adjust focus and focus. Nice! That is so cool. Let me see at my finger. Wow! I'm sure you can find so many items and just play with this microscope. Things that we can't see with the naked eyes. And you can take a photo, press this button. Every time that you are moving the microscope, you need to make an adjustments with the focus. Wow, my nails. Okay. Another hair here. Now let me show you how you can use the software. And of course you can use the stand. No need to hold all the time the microscope. Make the adjustments. So what is that? how to make some adjustments. Now let's see, here name, you can choose the resolution, same in here, you can make a calibration, cross line, measure a line, measure parallels, measure a rectangle, measure a circle, measure a concentric, measure an angle, drawing with a pencil, drawing text, there it is, remove last shape, okay, remove all shapes, or image. You can start video recording, no limit, you can choose here, don't split, and start. And of course you can stop. Files, and there is all the files, the drawing, there is the drawing, and the video. You can share the files wherever you want. Display 100%, make the adjustments, flip horizontal or not, flip vertical or not, gray, binary, invert. That is all about the settings you can manage from the software. And if you want, you can use this calibration ruler. Nice! Perfect for schools, colleges and learning environments to help students observe and study microscopic organisms, plant cells and other biological specimens. Use the focus wheel or button to adjust the magnification and get a clear view of the object. Coarse and fine focus adjustments for greater precision. Great for electronics enthusiasts, stamp or coin collectors, and DIY hobbyists who need to inspect small components or materials. Use the LED illumination controls to adjust the brightness for optimal visibility based on the specimen you are observing. Zoom in or out as needed to explore finer details. If needed, use the measurement tool in the software to measure the dimensions of objects. And that's a Bresser USB digital microscope. With its good resolution camera, adjustable magnification and easy connection to your computer or laptop, it's a powerful tool for exploring the tiny details of the world around you. Whether you are into science, hobbies, or just curious, the Microscope brings microscopic wonders into view like never before. If you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech gadget reviews, educational tools and in-depth product explorations. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay scientific, and I'll see you in the next video.